Do you know what time it is? It's time to count down our best moments from 2022 so we can have a great 2023. Come along with us. We're gonna do something a little different for the rest of our day. We are gonna return to Magic Kingdom eventually, we think, but we're gonna do a little bit of a monorail crawl and we're gonna take you along with us. One of the things I want to show off, besides my awesome wife in her awesome dress, I don't think we showed this off yet today. It's a replica of the VIP dress, and in fact it says VIP. You can actually have it say anything you want, but she decided she didn't want her name like plastered all over it. Just like that, we are back on the monorail, heading to the Polynesian. By the way, one of my favorite parts of the Tambu Lounge, which is where Michelle and I have decided to go, is the view. Can't tell, dead center of that screen, that is Cinderella Castle. So here are our drinks. Michelle got the watermelon margarita and I got the whiskey breeze. This is just a quick stop. Like I said, check out our tour of the Polynesian bungalow. Our amazing guide, Frank, has been awesome and letting us check it out again just because Michelle really wanted to see it, and we appreciate him very much. And just like that, Michelle and I have made it over to the Grand Floridian. Thank you again. So Michelle got the espresso martini with Stoli vanilla vodka, espresso and creme de cacao, and I got the lavender fog with Nolet's silver dry gin, Rothman and winter creme de valette, English breakfast tea, vanilla, and cream. By the way, if you haven't done a monorail crawl, we actually recommend it. It was fun. We've never actually really done it. Today was fun. We just want to do a loop on the Skyliner, and we have time, so we're gonna go do that. And it's just something you can do here from Hollywood Studios because there's a station for the Skyliner right outside of the park. One of the most fun parts of riding the Skyliner is the takeoff. There it goes. You're moving slow, and then all of a sudden it grabs you, and off you go. Woohoo!
Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort.
And like I said, because we're doing this around noon, there's not a lot of people getting on the Skyliner, so this is the time where you end up with the Skyliner by yourself. We are coming in to the Epcot station. You can see France there with the Eiffel Tower, and behind that tree, this spaceship Earth just went, and here we go.
If you're planning to visit World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your olas, ni haos, and konnichiwas.
Michelle and I made a quick stop at Nomad Lounge. We did get some nice outdoor seating. We really love this lounge. Their selection of drinks is bar none one of the best in the parks. So Michelle ordered the Pride Rainbow cocktail. It does come with one of those really awesome glow lotus flowers, I guess that's what it is. And I got myself the Tempting Tigress, which is basically their version of a old-fashioned.
You'll have a Mount Ham cheese, a venison sausage, a tassel ham, duck gruette, olive tapenade, fig tapenade, brie cheese, cheddar biscuit, pickled onions, and pickled mustard seeds. Y'all enjoy?
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you, my pleasure.
By the way, this is what a content wife on vacation looks like. She's definitely enjoying her time here at Nomad Lounge with her Hightower rocks and her lounge chair. And for our final addition to our meal, we have the churros with crema and chili strawberry sauces. We have heard nothing but amazing things about these churros. On a whim, Michelle and I decided to come down for a Food and Wine Festival over Labor Day weekend. And just like that, here we are at Epcot. And it's not an Epcot festival if you're not eating off of a trash can. And here is Michelle's chili cheese, macaroni and cheese. And here is the cowboy mac and cheese. I also got the 81 Bay Brewing Lemon Hazy IPA. Grabbed myself an order of the Don Don noodles from the China booth. These have standard rice noodles with some spicy beef and a peanut Thai sauce with some green onion on top. And we picked up the honey and pistachio fried cheese from Greece. We have heard nothing but you need to eat this. And on top of that, want to know what makes everything better? A Warsteiner Dunkel from the Germany Pavilion. And Michelle and I are going to be moving on to our Guardians of the Galaxy boarding group. We got number 64, and it's been called. Woohoo! Got to drink this first, though. And we're here at the boardwalk. Woohoo! You excited?
Yay!
All right, the first thing that's happening this morning is that it is checkout day. And as you can see, all of our luggage is now gone. Hello, beautiful wife in her fireworks dress. And we had this is how you do it. If you're gonna be moving, because we are checking out from Boardwalk today and moving to the Polynesian. And so we will be having Bell Services move our luggage from here to the Polynesian. Before heading to Hollywood Studios, you start your day with Tonga toast and sausage. That's right, let's go. Immediately to my left from the Barefoot Pool Bar is the entrance to the boat launch. You can follow that path out there, and as you can see, we have a boat pulling up. These amazing little boats are exclusive to this area and the resorts along this area, and they travel between the Contemporary, Wilderness Lodge, Grand Floridian, and then they take you to the Magic Kingdom. Right there it is, at the bottom of the escalator after you get off the monorail. Our reservations are for 11:30, and we're looking forward to checking out this revamping of a very fabulous restaurant. So we're hoping that it's just as fabulous as it used to be. Michelle got herself the Steakhouse 71 chopped salad, which is the chopped iceberg, lettuce, cucumbers. It normally has grape tomatoes. She had them removed, carrots, dried cranberries, goat cheese, white balsamic vinaigrette, and brioche croutons. And first words out of her mouth were, yeah, it looks so pretty. I chose to go with the fried food because I'm a fat guy and I like the Steakhouse 71 onion rings, hand-breaded with spicy ranch dipping sauce, and these look really good. All right, well, Michelle and I are having a good laugh about this. She ordered the 1971 Sunset, which is Herradura Reposado Tequila, tropical juices, rosemary simple syrup, and house-made grenadine. But the one little thing I want to point out is that here's my hand, there's the drink. It says it serves 2 to 4 guests. They offered Michelle to have an option for herself, and she said, no, I want this version. I want the 2 to 4 version. She's sharing it with Grogu. So we decided to get dessert. This is the 15-layer Steakhouse 71 chocolate cake. It is a layers of whiskey-infused chocolate cake, chocolate mousse, raspberries, and it has a little bit of gold foil on it right there. This looks amazing. So Mark and I have our pass to go build our lightsaber. I'm building it. He's helping me by filming. I'm such a Star Wars nerd, it's not funny, but I cannot. And I'm stoked to have Mark with me doing this.
I'm stoked just to watch.
Michelle and Carrie Ann are hanging out and being awesome, and Mark's coming in, so here we go. Woo!
Yes, I know. It's a little, well, it's a lot. Remember, it is equally black and the crystal itself has already chosen you. Oh, he chose red. What a shock. Excellent. Well, the force has guided us all beautifully. Well done, everyone. Now, good. Switch the other hand. Hand up. Good. Hand up. Other hand up. Good. Keep them there. Lean forward. Lean forward. You look silly. Well done. Nonetheless, let's do this. Okay, give a round of applause. Everyone. Excellent job. Now, builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi. and the Sith who came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, at any point, it only takes a spark.
I mean, seriously, this place is huge. Whoa. Don't forget you can get your deer feeders, barbecue grills, and fire pits here too. Buc-ee's is like Walmart and Wawa had a baby. This is all food, and down at that far end is a gift store. And this place is hopping right now.
Surprise! Surprise!
By the way, we're very excited because friends of ours from back home were randomly here in Florida and decided to come to Epcot to join us today. Had no idea they were here. But Brittany and Amber are with us today, and it's completely not planned, and we're very excited to have them here with us. Woohoo!
Well, I thought it was fantastic. I loved how you get the protein, you get the pizza deliciousness, and then you get the refreshing part of the melon, especially on a hot day. So, and I did put a lot of the red pepper flakes, and it was very different. So you just have to figure it out.
We got the large, which is definitely a 3-person pizza, not a 2. But it was very delicious. We'll have our to-go bag for later.
Amber and Brittany, I got you a little bit on the ride. What'd you think?
That was amazing.
Probably my favorite ride.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to kick everything in the video because it makes you feel like you're going to, and I fell for it and whatever.
And you also screamed. Oh, I wish I got that on film.
That was
Oh yeah.
funny. Yeah, it definitely takes you by surprise. It was great.
I scare easily and people like that, so it's cool.
It was good. You'll like keep moving out of frame for me. There you go.
I'm
So you guys,
terribly
so
short.
final thought.
Oh, definitely
5
do
stars.
it.
5
Definitely
stars.
do it.
Definitely
oh,
do
yeah.
it.
Yes.
Soren's amazing. Good morning from our last morning at the boardwalk. We are doing the 4 Parks Challenge. You need to come along with us.
And just like that, we're now at Animal Kingdom. Now we're gonna go catch the tram, which is something we haven't done in a long time.
Thanks, Sean. And park icon number 1, the Tree of Life. Always one of my favorite reveals coming around that bend. And there's the Tree of Life just ahead of you. Beautiful in the distance. Love it. By the way, Michelle just made an observation that we didn't think of that's adding an extra wrinkle. Today is also Father's Day. So there's a good chance a lot of the parks are gonna be full. And we're gonna have fun, try and do it anyway.
Hi, Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
Okay, so here's the plan. We're going to drive to the Polynesian. We're going to get on a monorail at the TTC to Epcot. And then we're going to take a once we've done Epcot, we're going to take a Skyliner to Hollywood Studios. Thank goodness we got that Magic Kingdom decided to stay open late tonight, but we're going to get it done. And it's exciting. You ready? Now that the car's starting to cool off, my goodness, it was hot in here. With the air conditioner blasting.
Bring it back. And
There
your
we
finger
go.
there. And you're all set.
Thanks, Millie. And just like that, park number 2.
With the amigos, no matter where he goes, the 1, 2, and 3 goes. We're always together.
By the way, I love me a good German and dark beer. Cheers. Remember me talking about how this boat has the ability to just do a 360 spin? There you go. It's driven differently. The propeller actually spins in 360 degrees, and they can do moves like that in the water. Awesome job to that captain. Very smooth.
All right, there you go.
Thank you, Alex. And we're in park number 3. Yeah, that says 140. Isn't that lovely? They look thrilled, don't they? Just a little bit after 10, we have 50 minutes to get on an attraction to have this count. Here we go.
Welcome home.
Fantastic. Thank you so
Thank you very
much.
much. Park number 4 has been achieved. We're in park number 4. We've made it in. Now we just need to get on an attraction, and we've officially done it. Woo! It's been a day. Oh yeah, we have to get a photo too. We have to get a photo, and we have to get on an attraction. We're on the People Mover. That officially makes it 4 parks, 1 day with an attraction in every park and a photo in every park. We did it.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. The wonders of Xandar Pavilion. We have our individual attraction Lightning Lane is waiting for us, and we're about to get into it. So we're gonna experience this for the first time with you.
This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless.
So much fun though, and we've had such great music on the ride. Yeah, it's fabulous. So I hope you enjoy our little trek there on Guardians of the Galaxy. It's been a blast. Seen a lot, done a lot of new stuff. Had a blast at restaurants and got some great food and seen some great people. Don't want to go home. Yeah, don't want to go home. But we have to. We have to earn enough money to come back. And like we always say, we don't like to say goodbye because we're going to see you real soon. So we say, see you bye.
We'll go to bed.